Hi guys, today we have 3 blaster boxes. Oh yeah! So we have the 2025 Absolute Football, we have the PHENIX regular, and then we have the PHENIX Winter. Ooh, cool! So,
okay, which one do you want to do first?
We're gonna start with the Absolute.
Okay, ready?
Yes. I'm totally ready. Okay. Pack 1.
Very cool. Oh, got a McCarthy on the base card. It's our first Viking. Keep going. Let's see. Ooh. Matthew Golden on the rookie card, the by Storm. Oh, that looks like a base card. Lamar Jackson.
Yeah, it has like the greenish.
Yeah, it does have the green on it. And then this is
it's shiny.
Kyle Williams rookie card.
Pack 2.
Might be the green parallels. Is that a rookie card? Okay, we got an introduction card. Beck and Genty. Jack Beck and Ashton Genty.
Matthew Golden.
And it's the second Matthew Golden card.
Pack 3. Another introduction card.
It's like Riley Leonard and Tyler Warren.
We got Jalen Rollins.
Yep, Jalen Royals.
And
Dylan Gabriel.
Pack 4. We got
Oh, it's hard for me even. Bashal Tutin. Okay.
And then Josh Jacobs.
On the green parallel.
Nick
Eamon Worry.
Eamon Worry. That's a hard last
On the
name.
rookie card.
Pack 5. That was a good rip. Ooh.
Oh boy.
AJ Brown jersey card.
That's pretty cool. It says Absolute Burners.
Absolute Burners. Fire.
Okay, what's next?
Harold Fanny Jr.
Fannin Jr.
Fannin Jr.
on the rookie card.
Last pack of box 1. We got, that one's hard.
Emeka Ebuka on the Hog Heaven. He's had a good year this year.
Ty Robinson.
On the green parallel rookie card.
Jalen Noel.
Yep. Noel
Noel.
rookie card.
Yeah. That was the last of this box.
Yep.
Now we're moving on to...
Which one do you want to do? Do you want to do the regular and save the winter one for last?
Yeah, winter one for last.
Okay.
I wonder what we'll get in this box. Why is the thing way down there?
I don't know.
Can't even get it.
Okay, first pack.
First pack.
See if
I
we can
wonder
get.
what we'll get.
See if we can get a good Viking in this one.
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, so we got a rookie card. Tyler Warren.
That's all. The rest.
Is it? Oh, there's only 4 in these.
Yeah.
So we're only getting one decent card per pack. So
Yeah. One decent card.
we got the rookie card is James Pierce Jr. What?
JJ McCarthy.
Yep.
Wait. We've got 2 Vikings players, and they've both been JJ McCarthy.
Yep.
Next pack.
Let's see. Rookie card Tyler Loop.
This one's different. Alex
Highsmith.
Highsmith.
Yep. On the what do they call that? The hologram.
Hologram.
Something like that.
Hologramic. I call it hologramic.
Is that the laser parallel maybe?
Ooh, lasers. Laser.
Okay, next one.
Next one. Let's do this.
The rookie is another Jalen Noel.
Ooh,
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a rookie card. Tyler Shuck
Looks like lasers.
on the contours card.
Contours.
Numbered
Ooh,
144 of 149.
what does that mean?
Means they only made 149 of them.
Oh, so we got one of those lucky
So
ones.
it's a little rare.
Ooh.
Tyler Shuck had a strong finish to his season anyway, so we'll see what he
Oh.
can do next year.
Okay, let's see what he can do next year.
That was it then?
Yep. Don't.
We got a rookie card, Darius Alexander. What is that one?
I don't know.
It's Jarquez Hunter on red
Red.
rookie card.
It's number 2.
Oh, that is. Jeez, how did I not see that?
I don't know.
It is number 23 of 199.
So they only made
199,
199.
That's right.
So we got 2 numbered ones.
2 numbered cards.
Oh, wow. Ooh la la. What?
Silly.
You told me to be energetic.
Rookie card. Abdul Carter. That's a good one.
Abdul Carter.
He's been quite the player.
David Adams on the laser.
Try that again. Devontae
Adams on the lasers. Pew, pew, pew.
Okay. Yep, that's the laser parallel, I think.
Laser parallel.
Was that the last one?
Yep, on this box.
Okay.
Now to the winter one.
Just make sure you
I
got.
like sound effects. I'm totally ready. I wonder what this box will bring us.
Same thing. There's 4 cards per pack.
Yep. But it's winter.
It's winter.
Spooky? No, not spooky. Okay, first pack.
We got Maxwell Hairston on the rookie card.
Ooh, this one has snowflakes on it.
Does it?
Snowflakes.
cool.
Shimmer snowflakes. Shimmer, shimmer.
JT Tumalo on the rookie card.
It's number 2.
176 of 249
Whoop, whoop.
on the purple snowflake.
Purple snowflake.
Winter parallel.
My favorite color is purple, and I love snowflakes.
Careful, watch the edges. Rookie card, Luther Burden III. This one's not numbered.
We got another snowflake one.
Yeah,
And this one's number 2.
it is. Number 78 of 399 on the red winter parallel.
Dad, these are coaches.
Yep. On the base cards, Kyle Shanahan and Mike Rabel.
Those are coaches.
Yep.
Interesting. Okay. Let's see what the next pack brings us.
There we go. It's T-Mac, Tetarilla McMillan. The Panthers just lost to the Bucks tonight, so they're out of the playoffs. But nothing else over there.
Okay, next up. Let's see. This is Andrew something.
Something. Or Gales
Or Gal.
on the rookie card.
Ooh, rookie.
Nothing.
Nope. Next pack.
Kyle McCord on the rookie card.
Jaden Daniels on
Ooh.
the shimmery snowflakes.
And it is numbered.
I think all the
170
snowflakes are
Yeah, it
numbered.
must be. 178 of 199.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have snowflakes on it.
Yes, it
Oh,
does.
yeah, it is. I just couldn't see it in the light. There it is.
Shimmery. Next, right down.
There you go.
Last pack.
We got Nick Scorton, rookie card.
Whoa.
And another Jaden
Jaden
Daniels.
Daniels on the Thunderbirds. Caw, caw.
This one is not numbered, but
But still cool.
yep.
That's all.
That's it. Alright. That's it for the blaster boxes.
Yep.
Okay, what do you say?
Goodbye. Pew, pew, pew.